How to use the cotton/normal cycle and energy saver mode on an LG dryer. Congratulations on your new LG dryer. Your dryer brings a whole new world of laundry possibilities, including a wide range of standard and specialty drying cycles to elevate your laundry care and preserve your clothes. Right now, we will go over the cotton/normal cycle with energy saver mode. The cotton/normal cycle is best used for cotton work clothes, corduroys, and regular garments. The energy saver mode is on by default when cotton/normal is selected and reduces energy consumption during the cycle, depending on the load size. In some units, there may be other cycles that default to energy saver mode as well. Note that the energy saver may cause the dry time to be extended. To activate, power the unit on. Then turn the cycle knob and select cotton/normal. On the control panel options, you will see that energy saver is illuminated automatically. Press the start/pause button to begin the cycle. When the energy saver mode is active, the dryer will have no heat for the first 40 minutes of the cycle. Instead, the unit will draw air from the room for an air dry portion. Once the air dry time without heat has elapsed, the dryer will begin to heat, but only at low temperature for the remainder of the cycle. If desired, note that you can deactivate energy saver mode for faster drying times. To do this, long press the energy saver button or the wrinkle-free button, depending on your model, until the energy saver illumination turns off and off is displayed on the panel. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your dryer. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.